Welcome to the Chiefs Arena match reaction time. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Zesco United nil. It's another win. It's another win in the CAF Confederations Cup, our second consecutive win, which puts us second. But it's only for now, depending on what happens between Zamalek and Al Masri later. Um, it's yet another 1-0, fourth consecutive 1-0 win. Mate, I am getting worried. Yeah, I am getting worried. Yes, I've been, taking those 1-0 wins shamelessly, but this one, I am not happy at all. Yes, I am happy with the result, of course, but performance wise, my problem is not winning 1-0. Yeah, but I feel like for the last 3, 4 or so games, yeah, when we start the game really well, play, push, get a goal, and when we get a goal, we stop playing. Yeah, we want to sit back and defend the lead. Bro, this is Zesco. They are a dead team. This man wouldn't finish in the top 8 in the Betway Premiership. Why are we sitting back against them? Why? Because after we scored the goal, we stopped playing for the rest of the game. We got dominated in the second half, dominated by Zesco. This was supposed to be a comfortable win. Yeah, this was a goal. It was a game where we were supposed to score. I wanted us to score at least 2 goals. When last did I see my team scoring 2 goals? Yeah, even if we conceded and ended up winning this game 1-0, 2-1, I wasn't going to have a problem. I was going to be happy for the fact that okay, we can score more than 1 goal. Yeah, but it seems like we can't score more than 1 goal. What happens now if a team scores first against us? What happens if a team can put 2 against us? Yeah, then it means we are definitely going to lose that game. Mate, this is not sustainable. How long are we going to sustain those 1-0 wins? At some point, they are going to catch up with us. Yeah, yes, let's be grateful for the 3 points. I can never not be happy um, with the Kaizer Chiefs win. Yeah, but let's check the whole context. Yeah, performance wise, this was poor. The second half was horrible. Oh my word. Oh my word. We made those guys look like prime Barcelona. They were playing some really good football. Yeah, it's just that they weren't creating some good chances, good moments, but they were the better team by far. Yeah, in the last 10 or so minutes when we introduced Sereno and Duba, yeah, we started, getting into their half, into their final third, and Mabue, I can't even say it's a big chance, because it was a good shot from him. Unfortunate not to score the goal. That's all we did in that second half. That's all we did. I think Mabue had an excellent game. For me, he was the man of the match. Lilepo won the man of the match because he scored the winning goal. But his overall performance was underwhelming, especially in the second half. There were many times where on transition will get the ball to him, supposed to take his man on, he's controlling his ball, he's controlling the ball using his hand, poor crossing, poor decision making. So my man of the match was Mabua. From minute one, that guy was excellent, more especially off the ball. So I don't want to hear you talking about Sibongiseni Mchecho. Yeah, we all saw what Mabue can do defensively. But overall, mate, I don't think this is sustainable. Yeah, we take the 3 points. Bro, in the next game, I just want to see us scoring 2 goals. Please, let's score 2 goals. Even if we concede, it's fine because to be honest, I'm enjoying these clean sheets. Another clean sheet for Brendan Peterson, made some really good saves. The first half made some two brilliant saves in quick succession. Another clean sheet for him. I think he's been our best player. And defensively, it's yet another clean sheet for Inaso Miguel and Zicha Kwinika. Although I think they were bullied by that striker. He was winning everything aerially. Yeah, they have to do better. Eden McCarthy's solid game. Solomon's um, offensively, because he's a fullback which likes to go forward. He was poor offensively, but defensively, he wasn't chested in the midfield. Ndlovu was a bit slow today. I don't know what's happening. That's why he ended up getting substituted. Fundo Villagazi, I think in the first half he was lively, was receiving the ball in the half spaces, was playing those balls in behind. Second half he was getting bullied, had to be taken off. Pule Modi, good game. I think he had a great game. Flavio Silva all over the place, doing absolutely nothing, getting zero supply. And Lilepo got the winning goal, but overall, I don't think it was a great performance. And I have to give it to the subs. Mabaso played really well, playing the ball forward. Tutuzi Shabalala carrying the ball, playing those little one twos with Pule Modi, Wandile Tuba had nothing to do. Gaston Sereno looked lively. So yeah, some few good individual performances, but overall, bro, for how long? Yeah, that's my question. For how long? Smash a like, let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'm out.